that's turning the whole way. Boy. I can turn sharper this way. Hey guys, welcome back to Unboxing with Scott. So for today's video, we're checking out this racing boat. So go over a couple features for you guys real quick. It's got automatic flip recovery, low signal alarm, motor cooling system, low battery alarm, left and right turning. So let's get unboxing. All right, my friends. So let's show you guys what all you get. So first off, they give you 2 batteries. They give you a little tip here. The boat must be in the water before you can pair it. So what that means is the boat, you need to put the battery inside. Once the battery's connected, you set this down in the water, and then you turn your remote on, and then you can pair it. So if we take a look at the remote, you got your standard trim. You got your control right on the side here. You got your on and off button right there. Trigger right there. So basically your standard remote. It does take probably AA batteries. We'll check that for you guys. Yes, my friends, it takes 4 AA batteries for the remote. So another nice feature, it comes with this boat stand. So this is what the boat looks like. It is nice. I like the orange and black. I think it really goes good together. So on the back here, you have your propeller, you have your blade, and if you're wondering how you access the battery bay compartment, you just twist this piece right here, and then you lift this piece up. When you're lifting this piece up, don't just pull it straight up or you're going to break the front end. You lift it up and then you pull it back towards this way, back away from the front. All right, then you just twist these to unlock it. It shows on you how to turn it, so just simply follow what it says. Here is a little tip card that they provide you with. Make sure you follow it. This is what it looks like underneath. Now this is where you can add your oil that you get. They do give you a spare blade as well. This is your charger for your battery, so just a simple charger. And you would connect your battery in here. Make sure you connect the right end with the right end. So you see the circle, you see the square. Circle aligns with circle, square aligns with square. Very simple, guys, for setting this up. And let's go ahead and test it out. By the way, this is for the front of your boat for protecting the nose. So if you bounce it off stuff, this will protect it. If you're a good driver, you probably don't need this. But if you want to protect the front end, the front tip of the boat from damage, you would place this on like that.